but welcome back to my kitchen. It's an episode of cooking for my crew. I'm a mom, a wife. I have 3 kids. That was 6. I have 3 kids. My daughter is 9. She's picky. My son is 6. He is the best eater of the 3. And then there's my 4-year-old who is also picky. So let's navigate this kitchen together. Let's navigate this world together of feeding a family that does not all eat the same thing. Okay. So today is Sunday, February 2nd, girl. Happy Black History Month, okay? Okay. It's February 2nd, it's Sunday. I'm gonna do my real basic dinner tonight. Like, it's real basic. 1, I'm tired. 2, I just didn't really plan for today. I haven't sat down to make a meal plan for the week yet, but maybe I'll do that tonight. So we're gonna have chicken, broccoli, and rice. It's so basic, but it's so versatile. Me, my husband, and my son will eat chicken, broccoli, and rice. My daughter will eat broccoli and rice, and my youngest son will eat the rice, just the rice. But that's okay because he takes vitamins, and I normally give him like a banana a little bit before dinner. So balance, right, girls? Realistic motherhood, balance. Okay. So as far as the chicken, it's thawing. One little tip I do, or time saver, hack, whatever, I season my chicken before I freeze it. It cuts down on so much time. Just like when it's time to cook, especially during the week, it's seasoned. All I gotta do is thaw it, and I set a reminder on my phone every morning for 11 a.m. All right, just a minute, babe. Every morning 11 a.m. I get a reminder on my phone to this light is a little too bright, to take something out for dinner, right? So take something out for dinner. All I gotta do is thaw it. By the time I'm ready to cook it, sometimes that's before I pick my kids up from school, like still in the midst of the work day. I work from home, or it's, you know, after we get home or whatever, like while they're doing homework. But it's already seasoned. I literally take it out, put it in, and cook it, whether it's going in the oven, the slow cooker, on the stove, whatever. That part is done. I ain't gotta pull out the cutting board and cut and season and all that stuff. It saves a good 10 to 15 minutes, and then I don't have to bleach everything down. Rice is one of the rice cooker today, but it always goes in the rice cooker. I'm just cooking some brown rice. I have the I'll link my rice cooker down below. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna use the carb reduction setting tonight. It's by Green Pan. I'll link it for you guys. And then the broccoli is frozen broccoli. I always buy it from Sam's Club, like, or mostly Sam's Club or Costco, like every week, every 2 weeks, whatever. We eat a lot of broccoli. I'm over it though. And so yeah, that's it. Chicken, broccoli, rice. And that's it. So my two biggest cast iron skillets have rust in them, and I don't have time to season them right now. So I used my enameled one to put the chicken in, which is great. But now I'm gonna put my broccoli in. I don't really want to do a pot. I don't want to steam it. My daughter the only one that likes it steamed, and it just tastes like hospital food to me. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out real quick. I'll see what I come up with. I completely forgot about my Hexclad dupe. So I'm gonna put my broccoli in here. I've done this before. It came out good. So we're gonna do that. So I stopped buying granola bars from the store, mostly because my 6-year-old is allergic to nuts. So I had to stop buying a lot of stuff and start making a lot more stuff from scratch. The Kirkland brand ones from Costco do not have nuts, but they have a lot of ingredients in them, and I was okay with it for a good little while. I was still buying them, but I thought my Costco membership was expired, so I tried making granola bars. I was like, I don't feel like going to the store. I don't want to renew today just for granola bars. So this is a couple weeks ago. So I made some granola bars. They came out pretty good. My daughter liked them, but my son didn't. So long story short, I found this recipe from Sarah Therese here on YouTube. We're gonna give it a shot. And I got some of these granola bar molds off of Amazon. I'll link them down below. They just came today, so I'm gonna wash these up and I'm gonna try to make these granola bars real quick, and hopefully everybody likes them. Hopefully my 4-year-old will eat them, because he loves granola, but he wouldn't. The ones I made were kind of like thin and kind of wide. I don't know, I guess I cut them too thick for him, like too wide, so he wouldn't eat them. So hopefully with the molds, they look good and he'll eat them. Girl, cross fingers here. Help, pray for me. y'all when I get ready. Maybe one day this week.
Huh?
So, try to record. Maybe one day this week. What was I gonna say? That's it. That's dinner. Broccoli, chicken, and rice. Everything tastes delicious. Well, the chicken is really delicious. I didn't even taste the broccoli and the rice yet, but it looked good. The granola tastes really, really good. I'm gonna put the link in the description box to the original recipe. It's from Sarah Therese here on YouTube. It's really good. Like, it's not hard yet. It's in the fridge, but they started snacking on it already. Well, that girl and her daddy love it. The boys haven't tasted it yet, but I'm hoping the boys love it too. I'm pretty sure they will. I tasted it. I liked it. I got 16 bars. I don't think it's going to last long, especially if all 5 of us like it. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to come back, and down below in the comments, let me know what's your go-to meal. Just like, okay, I don't know what else to cook. I'm cooking this tonight. Let me know down below. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.